Hey everyone, welcome back to Freshly Smooth. Today we have a delightful treat in store for you. We will be making refreshing pink dragon fruit smoothie bowl. It's not only delicious but also visually stunning, so let's dive right in. Here are the ingredients you will need. Half a cup of frozen bananas, half a cup of frozen strawberries, 1 cup of frozen mango, 1 cup of frozen pink dragon fruit, and a splash of milk of your choice, and I'm using oat milk. Add all the ingredients into the blender and blend for about a minute or until you achieve a smooth and creamy consistency. The result is a beautiful pink color. Our pink dragon fruit smoothie is ready. I will pour the smoothie into the bowl, but feel free to use any bowl of your choice. Now comes the fun part, toppings. I'm using sugar glitter and dark chocolate hearts to make this smoothie the dessert of the day worthy. And there you have it, our stunning pink dragon fruit smoothie bowl. It's not only a treat for your taste buds, but also a treat for the eyes. Remember, you can customize your toppings to your liking. Get creative and make it your own. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy.